Redcliff Recovery, a program created for women by women. I love that. I think it's so empowering. I think that oftentimes what I see is programs that are built for men are then tweaked somehow and then they're considered women's programs. What we're doing is we're saying, no, we're women and we've created this and we think it's unique. We know it's a unique thing because we know the unique needs of women. And so we can fill in those gaps. I created this program with other women who have a passion for wilderness therapy, who also have been touched in some way, either in their own lives for them personally or family and friends who are in recovery from drug and alcohol use. All of us want that internal value in ourselves. And because we've all found that and we've seen our family members find that and our friends find that, we want to extend that to other women. In the wilderness, your cell phone's not going to work. In the wilderness, you don't have TV. There are very few distractions. The things that are distracting are actual face-to-face conversations with people. And that's actually a really healthy thing. And we're able to give them that, where our society is so busy being busy and so busy distracting ourselves with our phones and TV and the computer and social media. We're stripping away those distractions, giving women opportunities to have real conversations with one another and really engage with their surroundings. They're also then engaging with the recovery program to then be able to leave us and go somewhere else and better understand what their priorities are.